Hello everyone, it's your girl Paper on out. Hello everyone, it's your girl Paper Robin, and in today's video we are playing King of Thieves. Now this is a very fun game, and if you guys have any other games that I should play, let me know in the comments. I promise I'm better at this game than I look. Go. Go. No! Yeah, we got it. So how you play King of Thieves is you steal these people's gems and gold, and you just keep doing that till you get the highest ranking. Currently, I'm in Emerald League. Now before this, don't know if I can get there. I don't think I can. I was in the Gold League, so I passed, and I was like, yay! I'm finally the King of Thieves, and I am the King of Thieves. But there's unfortunate things is that these kings of the past are like, hey, you're not the King of Thieves. There's this guy right here. You're not as good as the King of Thieves once were, you know, because they're from the past. They're ghosts. So we're showing these ghosts, but currently I'm not showing them too well. I'm a part of a beautiful band clan called the Duckies. The Duckies, we win everything. Let's go ahead and take some revenge. Someone stole our gem, the nerve. So let's go ahead and try to get it back. Oh my goodness. Okay, disable trap. There we go. Easy, once you get that guy out of the way. Beautiful. Now give me my, no! The agony. Okay, now here are my other Ducky Clan friends. We must try to help them retrieve their gems as well. Let's go. Ow, I was not prepared. Let me think about this. Okay, wait, I see. You go. Nope. You go. Nope. You go. Nope. You know what? I tried, my friend. I'm sorry. Forgive me. Let's try the other guy. Let's go! Oh my goodness, this is chaos! Ah! I tried. Ooh, this is the skill gold from other players. We can do that. No problem. No. Scary guy down there. No scary guys, thank you. Ow! Go. Ow! Whoa, this looks either super easy or super hard. Ooh, I accidentally skipped it. We're gonna go. Boom! Go! But guys, after I beat this is gonna have to be the end of our little video. I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. If you want me to try to play more King of Thieves, so just leave a like on this video and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss another one. And tell me in the comments what games you would like me to play. I'm ready to try anything and everything you guys might have ideas for. And also tell me what's your favorite sticker. Like, do you have stickers on your tablets, and what characters are they? Do you have stickers on your phones? Do you guys have stickers on your water bottles? I saw a few people that did that. And yeah, I will see you all in the next video. If I can get past this, I'll see you all in the next video. I will see you all in the next video. See you all in the next video. Goodbye.